one in.
Okay. A ribbon? Okay. Here, pull this one out. Good job. Okay, now pull this one. Okay, how about these ones? Okay, pull it out. She's like, you never give me paper. This is great.
Turn around and look at Daddy. We need a video on this.
Okay, can you pull this one out? Maggie.
I like this
Oh, I thought she was going to stare at you for that.
I tricked you. Okay.
Sneaky, sneaky.
Maggie. What are you trying to do?
Get him off.
Okay. Margaret. Where you going? Maggie.
Hey, Maggie.
We could have got a paper.
Now you serious, like we give her a toy and she's like, I'll have the box, please. Okay. Here, how about, let's see. Look.
There's like 6
Okay, now look. What's in here? What's in there? Can you pull it out? Okay, I don't want you to get the bag. I want, no, and there's the paper. Okay. Okay, now, let's pull out this. What's this? What's this? What's this? Can you pull that out? Can you pull that out? What's this? There's paper on it. Okay. How about this? How about Mama goes? Okay, I'm gonna remove the paper parts. Look, there's a ribbon. Maggie, what is it?
Tasty.
You can sit on it too. Blanket. Blanket. Okay, what's in here? What's this? What is this?
I don't have any more hands.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I have not seen one of those in forever.
Yeah.
Do you like it, Maggie?
Put the monkey to sleep.
Show me your gifts, Maggie!
He's like, I can pull him by his arms. And I still see the paper.